I had volunteered for Habitat before, and I came down to when they first were bringing people back into New Orleans. I volunteered at Habitat, and I told everybody, this is fun, we should do it. And that's how we connected, everybody communicated. The first year we came down, what was it? It was 13 or 14 of us. And then someone named us the Dirty Dozen, which was a perfect name.
So I come back every year for several reasons. One, it's to really build relationships with my friends from college. Two, to give back to New Orleans, where is a city that I love and have grown to love more each year.
We all wanted to do something after Katrina. We were communicating back and forth about what can we do. And I mean, sending money is one thing, but that was kind of just a Band-Aid. So we figured we'd come down here and do something.